Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. It's a beautiful day in Kingston City. I was feeling a little bit bored, so I decided to book a trip to visit the city. And by city, you know I'm talking about New York. I dropped my bag and headed to security. I was really surprised that the airport was not chaotic and going through security was a breeze. Headed upstairs and I walked past Island Grill, which I realized was closed, and reminded me of the time the lady said Jamaica was backwards because she couldn't get a cup of coffee at 5 o'clock in the morning. Anyways, I headed downstairs to Club Kingston to relax and get something to eat. I even surprised myself. I was super early for my flight. Y'all know usually I'm in a rush. I got settled and thank you baby Jesus for this food I'm about to eat. I had me some ackee and saltfish and toast, cornmeal porridge, infused water, and of course a glass of OJ. Belly full now and I was exhausted. I had a rough night last night, if you know what I mean. So I decided to take a nap until it was time to board my flight. Wake up time now. I walked to the gate, which usually knows that I run down the runway to my private jet, got settled even though other people begged a ride, and boom, before you know it, it was time for takeoff. I was still tired, so when the plane finally circling at the sky, that was my cue to take a long nap. I was in my deep sleep, then I heard the trolley going down the aisle, and of course, you know, I woke up for the little snacks. The flight attendant gave me one of everything. I mean, y'all know it's included in the plane fare, so I packed my snacks for a little later. I ain't gonna lie, this whole trip was so smooth from Jamaica straight to JFK, and the bags didn't even take that long to come out. I got my bag and pan and headed straight to the exit. My Uber didn't take that long to come either, so before you know it, I was on my way to the city. 40 minutes later, I finally made it. New York City. Oh, how I miss the smell of the smog and the sirens of the city.
I know you guys are enjoying the vlog, but I just wanted to remind you to get your Jolifairehair organic hair growth hair nourishing oil available in your local pharmacies and beauty supply store if you're in Jamaica. If you're not in Jamaica, click the link in my bio to order. Okay, back to the vlog. Bye.
I checked into my hotel, collect my packages, drop my bags, and I was outside again. I was craving pizza. I'm talking about the $2.99 pizza where you get 2 slices and a can of soda. 'Tis the season for pumpkin, so of course I had to stop by Starbucks to get a pumpkin spice latte. Had my drink on my way back to the hotel because I had to get back to hurry and get dressed for later. Alright, so we are now. I happened to be in the city when Dance is having the launch for her Stay Golden Cosmetics in the Allure store, so of course I had to stop by. Finally got to the Allure store and it was packed, which is so very exciting to see. Some of my favorite products were on display and I got blessed.
Rich. New York rich.
Well, amen to that then, brother. I got my goodie bag and I finally saw Dance. She gave me the longest, tightest hug ever. Then, of course, you know, we had to take some pictures. We went over for a photo op. We took hella pictures and celebrated with some champagne, honey. It was a pre-Halloween event, so Mr. Skeleton was there. Other people were dressed up as well. Dance and I was having so much fun dancing throughout the whole night. As the night came to an end, Dance thanked everybody for coming out to show support for her brand. We were hungry, so we stopped by a restaurant to get something to eat, and woo-wee, the light was just hitting right. And I ain't gonna lie, I'ma look good. Cheers to a successful night, but your girl was hungry. To start, I ordered potato soup, and when the soup come, I had to squint to see where the rest of it was. And upon me checking, the little soup almost dashed away. Now you tell me, look on the little bit amount of soup again. I could barely catch up my stomach with this, and I ain't gonna lie, I felt some type of way. By the time I take 1 spoon and blink, the soup done. Alright, see we are now. I ordered wings. Let's see if this will make me feel any better. You know how hungry did that kill me? In my head, I had an idea of how the wings are supposed to taste. Imagine the wing them tough like tough concrete. And y'all know the way all my teeth set up, I could not eat it. I ain't gonna lie, I was so upset, but I was so hungry. I was still trying to see what I could get out of these wings. I feel like I did one ball. I'm not gonna tell a lie. You know when you expect something to taste a certain way, get it and it's not it? Yeah, these wings were that for me. Alright, boom, no, I didn't even get a chance to cry because all this was going on behind my head back. Now, I was just minding my business, and when I turn around, this white man is trying to fight the security. Of course, now I couldn't fully mind my business because all this was going on and I was trying to fast. The music in the restaurant was popping, and this guy right here, he's the definition of minding his own business and having a good time. All of a sudden, the fan white man down and he lay there acting still like a possum. Then all of a sudden the possum started moving. Then all of a sudden again the New York City Fire Department pulled up, lights flashing. Then all of a sudden again there's ass in my face. The firefighters came over to find out what the hell is going on. The white man tried to explain what the hell is going on. The NYPD is now on the scene. Officer Chin is trying to find out what the hell is going on. Again, the white man is trying to tell Officer Chin what's going on. Honestly, it was a bit much for me, and at this point, that Rasta man ain't never lie. I hopped in an Uber and headed straight to my hotel. The thing is, when you're in the city past a certain hours, it's guaranteed you about to see some crazy stuff. Got up to my room, took off my makeup, and like the Rasta man said, I better you got your bed. Thank you, baby Jesus. I did just that. Okay, bye.